Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to go over how I clean my MWR WSBK filters and the things that I do to make it easier. Alright, so these are the materials I use to clean it. I use a little bit of purple power. This is the equivalent to Dawn dish soap. I did buy the kit for it from MWR. I seldom use this anymore. I've substituted it with this. What I do is I get a 5-gallon bucket. I mix a little bit of purple power and the Dawn dish soap. I fill it up and I let it sit overnight. And then what I'll do is I'll take the filter and I'll move it up and down inside the solution to help wash it, and then I'll blow it out and let it air dry. All right. So the second thing I've started doing is, I still use their spray and their oil. But since I have dirt bikes, I also use no toil. And this plastic bag has actually been like the lifesaver of how to oil these things and make them better or quicker. So what I do is I pour a little oil on the filter, then I stick it in this bag, and I will start massaging the filter, or we'll just say I'll start squeezing it like so. And what I found is that this, instead of getting all over your hands and wasting the oil and not being able to get it done, that this actually oils the filter quite well. And you can get this lip here with oil in it, which is pretty critical to keep it from drying out and sealing and keeping dirt from getting past. I use this, but I quit relying on this because this really sprays in a stream more so than an aerosol. It's really hard to get good coverage using just this. So after I bought a dirt bike, like I said, I went to no toil and this plastic bag, and it has made a huge difference in being able to oil this filter efficiently and quickly. All right, so that's it. Quick tip.